process of disappearing and transforming doesn't mean abandoning everything or running away from life. It's a strategic retreat to re-emerge stronger and more aligned with your goals. It's a moment of introspection, disconnecting from external chaos and reconnecting with your true self. Here we will explore how to symbolically disappear to create a new version of yourself, rooted in mental, physical, and spiritual health. This video is an invitation to embark on a journey of rebirth that begins with prioritizing yourself. Symbolically disappearing is an act of courage. It means temporarily stepping away from distractions and external influences to look deeply within. It's about silencing the noise of social media, others' opinions, and even your own expectations. Commit to yourself. Take a few days for a personal retreat. It doesn't have to be somewhere remote. It can be in your own home. But it's essential to create a space where you can reflect, reorganize, and begin your transformation. During this period, practice productive solitude. This is the time to confront the truths you've been avoiding. Ask yourself questions like, what truly makes me happy? What patterns are holding me back? What limiting beliefs am I carrying without realizing it? Write these reflections in a journal. Writing helps organize your thoughts and brings clarity about what needs to be adjusted in your life. Additionally, rereading these notes in the future can serve as a powerful reminder of your journey. Transformation starts with self-awareness, and that requires internal work. At Motivation You Need, we believe that simple practices, like daily meditation, can unlock a universe of possibilities within you. Find a quiet place, sit comfortably, and focus solely on your breathing. Meditation isn't about clearing your mind, but observing your thoughts without judgment. This practice not only reduces stress, but also enhances your connection with your purpose. Start with just 5 minutes a day, gradually increasing the time as you feel comfortable. The key is to create the habit. Another fundamental step in the transformation journey is taking care of your body. Your mind and spirit need a healthy vehicle to thrive. Use this time to evaluate your eating habits and adopt an exercise routine that energizes you. Small changes like drinking more water, eating fresh foods, and moving daily create a solid foundation for your evolution. Transformation doesn't happen all at once, but through consistent actions. Remember, every small choice matters, from swapping soda for natural juice to choosing stairs over elevators. As you disappear, you may realize that many of your worries are rooted in fear of others' judgment. This is where the need to redefine your relationships comes in. Do the people around you truly contribute to your growth? Reevaluate connections that keep you tied to toxic patterns, and have the courage to let go of those that no longer resonate with your new self. Instead, seek to surround yourself with people who inspire and motivate you. Remember, you are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with, so choose wisely who you let into your circle. While you work on transforming, remember that silence is a powerful tool. Many of us have the habit of seeking constant validation, sharing every achievement or decision. But sometimes, it's better to build in silence and surprise the world with the results. Use this time to outline your goals without distractions. Plan the future you desire and start acting with intention. Break your goals into smaller, measurable steps, celebrating each small milestone along the way. Transformation isn't just about what you leave behind, it's about what you choose to build. Consider incorporating gratitude practices into your routine. Every night, write down 3 things you are grateful for that day. This simple exercise can shift your perspective, helping you appreciate what you already have while working toward what you want to achieve. Gratitude is a reminder that even on tough days, there's something positive to acknowledge. If you've made it this far, it means you are committed to your transformation. At Motivation You Need, we believe that every step you take toward personal growth has a significant impact on your mental, physical, and spiritual health. We invite you to share in the comments the first step you'll take after watching this video. Your story can inspire others. Additionally, revisit this video whenever you feel the need for a reminder on how to start or continue your journey. Now, it's time to embrace your journey of rebirth. Remember that every change begins with a decision. Decide today that you deserve a fuller life, aligned with who you truly are. Subscribe to Motivation You Need for more content that helps you become the best version of yourself. Together, we'll transform thoughts into action and create a life of purpose. Transformation is an ongoing process, but the result is worth every effort.